Ke ala hele o Yesu Ki halai aku ai Me ke kanaka o pio hano hano Kaurana e kawai Me mai e kau o pio E kuhaku ai Ke aho i kau Ke aku ai I loa ai ke ola mau E hawi e hakuno I kou mau Vai vai Uli ahai Ai au I loa e ke ola mau Let me walk through paradise with you, Lord Take my hand and lead me there All my earthly treasures I would gladly give Teach me how to love and how to share Greed and lust and vanity were mine, Lord And I found your love divine And now I'm on my knees I pray I find a way Let me walk through paradise with you Kanaka vai vai or ohana on the big island of Hawaii.
You ask me why my heart keeps singing, why I can sing even when things go wrong. But since I found the source of music, I just can't help it. God gave the song. The source of music, I just can't help it. God gave the song.
Come walk with me through fields and the forest. We'll climb the hills and still hear that song. For even hills resound with music. They just can't help it.
seems to me that for as long as I can remember, I've always loved to sing. I remember when I was a kid in Hawaii, I used to climb to the top of the tallest mango tree in our yard. I could see way out to the ocean from up there, and I'd sing. At the top of my voice swayed in the trade winds, in those top branches of the mango tree, I'd sing. Nowadays, there are times when I really don't feel like singing much on the outside, but I've still got a song way down on the inside that just won't quit, because Jesus brought this song to me when I was just a boy back there in Hawaii singing in the mango trees. And to those who will follow him, Jesus gives a song way down on the inside that'll go on forever, no matter what. So come on and join, it's the song of Jesus, day after day. That song goes on, for once you know the source of music, you'll always hear it. God gave the song. So come on and join, it's the song of Jesus, day after day. That song goes on, for once you know the source of music, you'll always hear it. You'll always hear it. God gave the song. God gave the song.
There is someone in heaven, someone who really cares for me. Truly is sweet and gentle, for all his love is oh so great. His name is Jesus. He died to save my soul and yours. I love him, and I will serve him forever and evermore. His name is Jesus.
He died to save my soul and yours.
Oh, I love him.